Hello everybody. Today I'll be showing you a really easy way how to solve linear equations. So I'm gonna give you two examples. One's gonna be, let's say y oops sorry oops y is equal to, let's say, 2x plus 3. So what you have to do, this right here is your y-intercept. So this is your y and this is your x, right? And this is your y-intercept right here. So you're going to be starting off with positive 3. So we're going to write positive 3 here at the top. And if anyone has heard of rise over run, what that basically means is I'm referring to the gradient. So this is your gradient. This is your y-intercept. All right. So let's just write that. So grade. Oh, that's your gradient, and this is your y-int. So what rise over run does is basically with the number 2, you're gonna start from 3 because the graph starts from 3, so that's gonna be your first point, right? 3, and then you're gonna go up twice because it's 2. So you're gonna go up twice, and you're gonna go 1 to the left once. So it's gonna be right there. So these are your 2 points, so your line should look a bit like this. That's your graph. Now, doing another example, let's say we have another graph here, and we have the equation y is equal to 1 over 2x plus, actually we've done 3 before, we'll do minus 1. Sorry. So we've got minus 1. So first, we know this is our y-intercept. So you have y, obviously, x, and we're going to start at -1. So that's -1. And now applying the same technique, rise over run. So you're going to start from -1, and this is your rise, and this is your run. Okay? So your run and your rise. So you're going to go up by 1, right here, and then you're going to go to the right twice. So 1, 2, right here. That's going to be a second point. So the graph should look like that.